Please, when you go to hospital, they are not giving medicine anymore.
Remember your family at home. Remember your family in Nigeria, please. Don't give up. Remember you have family, you have wife, you have kids. Please, my brother, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
Hey, alele. Ụmụnne anyị nọ na Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, ebepụtago mkpu akwa wee na-egosi ụdịka ọnọdụ ọdịndụ ọnwụ ka mma nke ọtụtụ n'ime fa nọ na prison a na-akpọ Kality Prison Center dị na Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Fa nọkwazi wee na-akọwa otu ụmụnne anyị si wee na-anwụ ka ọkụkọ maka na enwe ozi ezigbo nri a na-enyefa. Nka ya egosi na vidiyo ka ụnụ ofu ụdịka nri ụmụnne anyị nọ na Ethiopia na-eli bụ ndị nke nọ na nga. Fewe na-akọwa na Ethiopian gọọmenti ekwugo na afa enweghị ego fa ga-eji wee na-enetefe anya ma ego eji enyefe ọgwụ ma inyefe nri na fa chọọ na fa ga-esi wee metụrụ Nigerian gọọmenti ka abịa kpọrụfa kpọnagafa na prison dị na Nigeria. Fewe na-akọwa na ọtụtụ oge na fedejegolu akwụkwọ fedejego meseji to Nigerian embassy nọ na Ethiopia. Digital message onwebe anything dịka reply Nigerian embassy na-enyefa. Fewe na-akwa na ọtụtụ mgbe ka ndị mmadụ bịago ka enyelufa aka ma Nigerian embassy nọ na Ethiopia gwalụ ndị a na fa emekwana ya na ụmụnne anyị bụ ndị ohi na fa deserve ịta afụ na fa deserve ịnwụ na nga. Ya bụ ihe fa kọwanụ ya ka ndị Nigerian embassy na-agwa ndị bịara inyelufa aka. Fewe na-ayọ biko na si malo na ga-esi wee metụrụ Nigerian gọọmenti ka mmonefa ga-esi wee kpọnatafa Nigeria ka fa bịa nọ na Nigeria taa afụfụ delefa. Fa nọkwu n'iru wee na-akọkwu dat na ọ bụrụ fa ncha niile melu ihe ọjọọ na onwe nọ na nga ebe a na onwe ndị aka fa dị ọcha nọ n'ime nga ebe a. Fewe na-akọwa na mmadụ na-anwụ n'ime nga ebe a every day maka na onwe ndị nọcha na onwe ndị ahụ na-aya ma ndị nwere liver problem ma ndị nwere kidney problem ma ndị bucha ọtụtụ ọya dịcha n'iche n'iche mana because of na gọọmenti adịghị ezife ọgwụ adịghị ntefe anya nlifa na-elikwe n'ime ebe a enwe okwu isi. Unu ga-afụ ihe onyonyo a nchọrọ igosi unu na unu fụ otu ozu nwanne anyị nwoke so tọgbọ na n'ime prison ebe a. Wee sị ka anyị yọọ biko asị nke nji wee bụrụ mmadụ, ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye Igbo wee nọ na Ethiopia, biko gbaanụ mbọ ka unu mmadụ unu ga-esi wee tụkọta aka maka na a sị na agbakọ nwamịlị ọnụ ọgbọ ọfụfụ. Mana unu ga-esi wee gbaa mbọ nke unu ji wee bụrụ mmadụ, ọ bụrụgodo ọgwụ bụrụgodo nọ nri unu ga na-ebujelu ụmụnne anyị ka fa na-eligodo nke bụ nri na-aṅụgodo nke bụ ọgwụ maka na a sị na onye dị ndụ nwere olileanya. Ama m na ndị Igbo na-enwe mitin ebe ọbụla fa nọ. Biko nu tụkọọ na isi ọnụ nwa bụ ndị Igbo nọ na Ethiopia, tụkọọ na isi ọnụ mana unu ga-esigotegolo ọgwụ na-enyegodo ụmụnne anyị ka ndị nke na-aya ahụ ụfọ ọgwụ fa ga na-aṅụgodo na-eligodo nke bụ ezigbo nri ka fa nke dịgodo nke bụ ndụ maka na afasa na-anwụ osisi na anwụchakwa ọnwụ aka ya atụkwa ego bunata onye a n'ozu. Ego a ga-eji wee bunata onye a n'ozu wuru na ego unu ji tụkọta ego ọnụ gotelufe ọgwụ gotelufe nri ka fa na-eligodo nke bụ ezigbo nri maka afta m vidiyo nke anya mmiri gbaa m ebe ọ bụ na ya nwezi gọọmenti ka anyị mekwanụ nke anyị jebụlụ mmadụ. Wee sị ka anyị kwuo, ọ bụrụ na ị bụ mmadụ na-awọchi vidiyo, ọ bụrụ na ị nwere kọntaktị na ọnkụlụ gị bụ nọ na gọọmenti mana ị nwere yo antị nọ na gọọmenti, biko help ka ishie vidiyo send kwoli ya ka ọ fụ ọnọdụ nwanne anyị nọ ụmụnne anyị nọ bikos ihe ịfụ na-eme ihe melu the embassy ji wee na-agwa na discourage ndị na-abịa inyelu ndị aka maka nye na-ega anya afụ na ọtụtụ n'ime fa bụ ndị Igbo and ofu Igbo agenda ofu agenda against Igbo bụ ihe ifu na-play out maka na ọ bụ na ndị a bụ ndị Hausa mana fa bụ ndị Yoruba adịghị m chọpụtara ma ndị embassy aka imefe abandon n'ime ebe a.
This, what did happen? What happened to her?
I don't know, my brother. I just came in and I saw my brother on the phone. We need to call embassy because the prisoner, they say that they are not going to take us to hospital. So I don't know what to do. If you can help me to call anybody so that they will call Nigerian embassy. If they will come and take him to hospital because he's dying. You can see he's dying. I don't know.
He's not even breathing anymore.
I don't know what to do. We need to call Nigerian embassy to come and help us because we don't know what to do. There is no medicine.
The pause. It's not even moving.
Yeah, it's not moving. I don't know what is happening.
It's not
I don't
moving.
know. I don't know what is happening.
Nothing.
I don't know.
Look.
I don't know. I don't know. Please, we need to call embassy. If you know anybody that have embassy number, please call him.
Let me check this guy that have a embassy number. Let me check him.
You can call embassy. I don't know what is happening.
This is very bad.
I don't know what is happening. Please, you need somebody to help me to call embassy. All we need now is embassy. Solution now is embassy.
Let me call the other guy. Let me call somebody.
Please.
Yeah, I have somebody. I know somebody that have the number. Let me
Please,
call.
Because this is getting very bad.
Please call the person.
Very
if you
bad.
know anybody that have embassy
Very
number,
bad.
call. So that they will come and take him to hospital because we don't know what is happening.
Go call the guy. Go call the guy.
He has been here now for more than 1 hour.
Please.
More than 1 hour.
Please, my brother,
He has been
don't
here
do
now.
this to me. Don't do
And I had somebody told me that when you go to hospital, they are not giving medicine anymore.
Remember your family.
So I don't
Remember your family in Nigeria, please. Don't give up. Remember you have family, you have wife, you have kids. Please, my brother, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
He's not moving.
Don't do this to me.
More than 1 hour now. He has been lying like this.
Let me bring the embassy
Remember,
number.
you have family at
God
home.
help us.
You have children at home. Don't do
We need
this
to
to
call
me.
to our
Don't give
government.
up.
They
My
need to do
brother,
something
don't give up,
about this.
please.
Even if it is for us to go home, let them take us to our country. Let's go and die there. We don't want to die here.
Please, my brother, don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Hey, please, who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Please come and help me. He just collapsed. I just came in here and saw him. Please, how do we go about it? Please, can you help me? Just put your hand now. Put your hand. Please, can you call police?
Because you know it's late, and if you call them, they will not come.
Moreover, they have told us that they will start buying drugs. Those people taking routine drugs, they all went to hospital today. They were asked to go and buy drugs. What do we do then?
Nothing. Just to call the embassy. Nothing again.
Will they come?
I don't know.
The ones other ones we have been calling, they have not been doing anything. How do we go about it?
Nothing. Just to call them. That's the only option. If they don't come over, I don't know what we will do again, because you see now.
And this night will be very, very hectic for us. This night will be very, very hectic for us. How do we sleep with him just like this? And other 2 people that died, it's just the same thing. When they take them to hospital, they are not being treated.
So what?
Please check his hand and see what is going on. Still hot?
Yeah, it's still hot.
Still warm.
Still warm. Very, very warm.
What do we go about? How do we go about this thing?
Wake up, my brother. Sorry, okay? Sorry, my brother. Sorry. Brother, okay?
Just I wish this video can get to the Nigeria government so they will see what we are suffering here.
And these people have told them to come and take us out of this place, and yet they keep mute. Keeping mute. How do you solve it? We've lost 2 people within space of 5 months, and another thing is about to happen again. How do we sleep this night? Everybody has to be awake. Just because of the same thing, because of the complacent attitude of our people.
Just imagine. He's
not even moving anymore.
Not moving. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. Anyway, we will try and call the police so they will be aware in case if anything happens. They will not say that we keep quiet.
We keep mute.
Yeah, so we need to call them to see what will happen and see what will be their response to us.
And the first aid we have here, they took it last year June. How do you? God of Abraham.
Wake up, my brother. Wake up, okay?
This is a pot of rice of 100 and something Nigeria, 100 and something population eating. Open this thing. This is the food, as little as it is. This is for 100 and something, and it's being shared with this little spoon, as you can see.
White. Nothing.
No salt, no sauce. This is the rice.
This is it.
One person. Just look at it.
It's too small. It's too small.
Just look at
It's too
it.
small now.
Just look at it.
It's too small.
Look at it.
It's too small.
It's too small.
My brother almost collapsed right now. So the person almost collapsed within 3 days. So yesterday in Ghana, today again, the same thing, but the record of Ghana, they can around that time. Yeah, any face back. And become like I'm coming like where some things need to call again. Yeah, man. I want to go away, but another person that could this evening. So I went to area so under an area. I could one under one outside girl. Non a zone no more when like any police sickness name Olu man name is not the keep you. Mammy and acquire na English language. I think I have one more about this evening. I got about how. I didn't come send on Ghana this evening in Qatar. So the Asana sugar, the two onion sugar, the too low. Or the too low. The too low. So you get the voice. I got on a treatment. And another ego. And I request ego. Imagine on your name on and I one spoon of white rice, I get jack, tomatoes and everything. So our problem is too much. It's like we are disturbing people or anything. We are many here. So the team and under society kind of population. And then they buy politics, America actually on to assist us. So I don't really understand what is happening here. Anyway, anytime we die, please, you people, we should help us on the right RIP, because we can see that there is no hope. The country have told us to come to tell us that our government should come and move us out from this place. Time without number, that they don't have money to feed the prisoners. So they always tell us that they are not the one holding us here. So, and we can see that it's like our people hate us. I don't know what we did wrong. It's not everybody committed crime here. Quite alright, there is people that have committed crime. How much more people that been armed robbers in Nigeria, doing kidnapping and assassinating people? They still habilitate them and join them to society. How much more we? A lot of us here, we are not criminals. We all keep on saying it, but we don't know what we did wrong. Anytime someone wants to help, the embassy will tell the person he should remove his hand. We are criminals. Embassy condemn us before the country. So please, whenever we here, so you people should help us and write RIP on the internet, so that our family can see all our pictures. Thank you and God bless you.